Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be making a room divider out of Dollar Tree wreaths. I'll first start off with 4 pieces of pine wood that I got from the Home Depot, and they are 6 feet a piece. I'll then be adding these L brackets in between to connect both pieces of wood together. And I finished the other 3. Next, I'll start attaching my wreaths, but listen, I went to the Dollar Tree the other day and I was like, oh my gosh, they have gold and silver wreaths. Like, I've never seen that before. So I'm going to be attaching the wreaths to the frame using zip ties. And I'm gonna be making rows of 5. And I also got these zip ties from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by attaching the first row to the frame. So I'm just taking the zip tie and going underneath. Next, I'll be taking the zip tie and connecting both sides together. Now I'll be adding my second row, and I'll be doing the same thing that I did to the first row, attaching the bottom row to the top row. And then attaching the sides. And I'm making sure not to pull the zip tie too tight because I still want the divider to flow. And I did a total of 5 rows, so in all I used 25 wreaths. So I'm going to complete my last row, and I did end up using this silver wreath because they ran out of the gold ones. So I'm just going to spray paint that one gold. And this is how it looked when they were all connected. And next I am going to take my scissors and cut off the ends of the zip ties. And I did add another L bracket to each corner of the divider just to make sure that the wood stays in place. Next, I took these shelf brackets that I got from the Home Depot, and I'm going to be attaching them and using them as legs. Then I took the divider outside and spray painted it gold, and I only had to spot spray in certain areas because the wreaths were already gold. And the next part is optional, but I got this curtain rod from Walmart, and I will be attaching it to the divider. And these are the curtains that I'll be using, and I also got them from Walmart. Next, I will be attaching the curtain hooks to the top of the divider, and then putting the curtains on the rod. And this is how the divider looked after everything was finished. And I also have an option with the curtain on it. I think it is absolutely beautiful. And I love how I have the option of putting it outside or indoors. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you later, Glitter Babes.